Hi Halo, this is our workout for Tuesday, April 14th. This is another challenge just like Monday's workout where there's two parts to the workout. The first part is true traditional strength training where you shouldn't be too out of breath. You're moving at a rather slow pace. And part two is super fast and tiring and you're breathing very hard. Okay, so first we focus on strength, second we focus on cardio. Okay. So if you take a look here, part one is going to be 6 sets of 12 reps on exercises 1 through 3 in part one. You decide the rest period, okay? So let's first do part one. Let's take a look at that. We have bent over rows, we have floor presses, and bicep curls, part one. So let's take a look at what a bent over row looks like, and Tyler's going to be demonstrating with the ball. So that's a bent over row. Of course, if you have a dumbbell or a barbell as the movement you selected, or a bungee, you can of course use that. We're using a ball because this might be the one that's the hardest to understand how to do it. So Tyler would do 6 sets of 12 on that before he moves on to the next one, which is a floor press. He does 6 sets of 12 reps on this movement. So you would do 12 reps, he would take a rest, then he would go again, a total of, like that's the second set right there, hypothetically. You probably want to take more rest than that. And then the last one is a bicep curl. Again, 6 sets of 12 reps. And those 3 movements, a bent over row, a floor press, and a bicep curl is part one, okay? Now let's take a look at part two. Part two, which is going to be done in this fashion. Part two, 15 minutes of as many rounds as possible on exercises 1 through 3 in part two. Each one is 16 reps, okay? So we got ourselves side to side leg raises, run in place, and then jump squats. Each one, again, 16 reps. So here we go with our leg raises. Lift over the ball is what we're doing here, okay? If it's too difficult for you, you can do it with bent knees, and of course, if the ball's not there, you can do it without the ball. Just bring your legs up high. Then you hustle and you get up. We're gonna do 16 run in place. So every time you bring your knee up is 1, so that should go pretty quick. And then we do 16 jump squats, which will not be quick and it's gonna be very, very challenging. And you would do that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, over and over and over again, as many rounds as possible on a running clock for 15 minutes. So this is a challenging workout. Again, part one, you have 6 sets of 12 reps of each of the 1 through 3 exercises, which are bent over rows, floor presses, and bicep curls. Then you catch your breath a little bit, drink some water, and then do part two, which is a cardio workout. 15 minutes of as many rounds as possible, doing movements 1 through 3, 16 reps per exercise, and those are the movements for part two. Side to side leg raises, running in place, and jump squats. So have fun with this. This is gonna be a challenge. Have a good one, guys.